In this video, I will show you how to get Crunchyroll Premium for free. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe. So the first step is to go to the crunchyroll.com website like this. You can see that basically, the first time you arrive on the website, it will offer you a 7-day free trial to have access to the entire Crunchyroll catalog. So you can simply click on it and activate your free trial if you wish. And know that once this week has passed, well, you will have to pay for the Crunchyroll Premium subscription to be able to continue watching Crunchyroll anime and series. So you can see the prices on the Crunchyroll website. It may vary from country to country. And as you can see, it can be more or less expensive. So I'm going to show you the trick I use to pay less for my Crunchyroll Premium subscription. This is to go through the Gamsgo subscription sharing platform. It is a platform that allows several people around the world to share family subscriptions and thus save on their premium subscription. As you can see here, the Crunchyroll Premium subscription would cost you only $3.17. So it's half price, it's really a great deal. I have been using Gamsgo for over a year now, and I am very satisfied. You can find the link to the Gamsgo platform directly under the YouTube video, either in the description or in the first pinned comment. Just click on the link and you will be automatically redirected to Gamsgo. Then, at the top right, you can log in with a simple email address. In 1 minute, your account will be created on Gamsgo. And then on the home page, if you go down, you will be able to find the Crunchyroll option. You can click on Join Now. You can then choose the duration of the Crunchyroll subscription that you wish to subscribe to, ranging from 3 months to 12 months, knowing that if you take 12 months, you will have an additional discount on the price. You can then click on the promo code option, and you can even add the code GUMMY like this to have an additional discount. Once it's good, you click Go to Payment. You can pay by credit card, debit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay. The platform is 100% secure. Once you have made the payment, you will receive your Crunchyroll credentials directly in your subscription tab.